Good morning, children. Soni ma'am welcomes you all back for the topic advertisement. We have done in previous one what are advertisement, how many types are there. One category we have done. In continuity, the next category which we are going to do today is situation wanted. Now first of all, we should know the value points. So first value point, nature of job sought. Sought means seeking, finding which type of job you are looking for. Then personal details like age, sex, personality. Then next point, qualification and experience. Next, salary, what acceptable. Then place or area preferred. Then working condition. At the last, contact. In contact, who is giving the advertisement, what is the address, what is the phone number. Before we look to the sample, I would like to tell you here what is the difference between wanted and vacant. Vacant is the advertisement which is given by a firm or any organization who is looking for candidate. Wanted is personal advertisement given by a person individually who himself is looking for a job. So in this question, the details of the individual are given. So this is the difference between wanted and vacant. Now look to the question. Anil, you are Anil / Anita of 257 Moti Nagar, New Delhi. You have just passed BE. BE, it is a degree in electrical in first division from a prestigious college. You are in need in or around Delhi. Write an advertisement for the column of Local Daily. While reading the question, first of all, we should understand the demand of the question. By reading the question only, you can make out which category does this question lies. Because in question, it won't be given clearly. You have to make out. So, you are personally Anil or Anita. You are what? Engineer. You have done BE and you are looking a job in or around Delhi. So all the value points, they should be covered in the answer. Let's see. So first of all, name of the category, situation wanted. Then beginning with wanted, a job for first class BE electrical from IIT Delhi in or around Delhi. Experience 2 years as assistant engineer with private firm. Age 25 years, male, handsome personality. Then salary expected 30,000 per month. Working condition, can work overtime with extra pay. Now contact, who is giving the advertisement? Anil. If girls, Anita. 257. Address Moti Nagar, New Delhi, contact address. So you can see we have covered all the value points which are mentioned above. Now the next category, now what we are going to do is matrimonials. I hope you know what are matrimonial advertisement, which are framed for a bride or bridegroom. So now the first value point, begin with alliance invited. Then state whether the matrimonial is given from boy side or a girl side. Then personal details like looks, appearance, age, height, complexion, etc. Then educational or professional details, whether boy or girl, has to be given. Then what is the preference? That is whether boy is looking for a service girl or some in other department, or girl family is looking for a boy who is in business, and what is the income. Then caste, If specific caste is required, then it has to be mentioned. Subcaste, religion, or if there is no problem of caste, then we write no caste, no bar. Then qualities sought in partner. If boy family is there, what type of quality they want in the girl, or if girl family, what type of quality they look in the boy. Then at the last, contact. In contact, we do not mention name of the advertiser because it has to be kept confidential. So it is mentioned post box number and the name of newspaper. We don't give the address even. In matrimonial, the people they have to contact through newspaper. So we have to give the name of newspaper and post box number. This is the way it is kept confidential. Now let's look the question. A highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured and tall girl of status Punjabi family. Write a suitable advertisement for a national daily. Now, I hope you reading the question, you might be understanding what is the demand of the question. In the question, the details of boy is given and they are looking for a girl, beautiful girl, and what are their preferences that they have mentioned. Now, let's see the solution. First, the type of categories, matrimonial. Then the beginning word, alliance. Invited for a handsome, tall and cultured IT professional. Now, age is 29 years. Now, what is the height? 180 centimeter tall. He is NRI, settled in London as CEO of a reputed firm. So, if boy family is looking, they mention all the qualities of boy. What is he and where is he settled? Okay. Now, what is the demand of the boy family? Then that is also given. The boy family wants exceptionally beautiful, highly educated and cultured girl between 21 years to 25 years and at least 5 feet 4 inches tall. There they do not have any problem with the caste, so they have mentioned caste no bar. So at the last, contact, box number, post box, we call it PB number, post box number 867B and the name of the newspaper, the Times of India. Okay, like that within 50 words we cover up all the value points what we have mentioned above. Now the next category we are going to do accommodation. Now accommodation includes the houses to be given on rent, that is to let, or the houses on rent to be given or to taken. Both the things are both the ways are included in accommodation. Now what are the value points? Begin with available or wanted. Type of accommodation, that is whether it is to let or on rent. To let means you want to let out your house on rent, or on rent means you are looking for a house on rent. Then brief description about that house or a place, that is what is the size, floor, number of rooms, fixtures, fittings, location, parking, etc. Then what are the condition, type of construction, then what facilities are required, 24 hours electricity and water supply, servant quarters, then what preference you have. You want to let out your home to a family or to office or a business class, or even some of this related to any institution also. Then what is your expected rent, then at the last contact, then address, phone number. Now let's quickly see the question. You want to let out a flat, prepare an advertisement to this effect for publication in a newspaper giving necessary details. So I hope you have understood the question. You want to let out means you want to give your house on rent. So it will come in the category of to let. Now, so first of all, the name of the category, to let, then beginning word available, on rent, MIG flat, second floor, 2 BHK, lobby, balcony, fully furnished, well ventilated, near market, east facing, corner, lawn in front, 24 hours electricity and water supply, parking, separate servant quarters, rent offered rupees 15,000 per month. Now your preferences, company lease preferred. Now whom to contact? Subodh 2B/21 in Prasth Colony, Ambedkar Circle, Jaipur. So I hope you are understanding that we don't frame full sentences, we only frame phrases so that all the value points are covered. So we'll cover up other categories in the next video. Till then, thank you and goodbye. Take care.